everybody. This is Moses from Zaatargardens. Hi, what are you doing, Sean?
I'm finding stuff to do experiments like this. I also found cells in the leaf.
You found cells in the microscope for the first time.
Yeah, and what's this? I cut the leaf up.
That's good.
Now
What's Lulu doing? Is Lulu looking and smelling the thing we're going to talk about in the video?
I think so.
All right, Sean, have fun. Look at all the apples on the ground. Look at that. Sapote coming in. Look at all the sapote. Isn't that crazy? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about something I don't know if I've talked about yet in my all the videos I've done. The fall, late summer, early fall is the time you want to start putting new compost. This is about 3 inches deep, all over. Not all over yet. It's going to be all over soon. It's mostly in this area, going all the way that way, over there, and underneath my mangoes, cherimoya, citrus, avocados. A lot of compost. This is the perfect time of year to put down your new soil amendments, you know, your compost, like I said, but this is the perfect time, not in the spring. It takes time to break down soil into, you know, like plants can't really grow in this material. It's gonna take a long time to break down, especially if you're doing it in fall through the winter. But the thing is, it will be ready, or hopefully partially ready, in the spring. If you do this in the spring, it won't be ready at all for your plants. You're gonna do this, and you're gonna put a hole in the ground and put your plant in there. It's not gonna help. Okay?
All it was just a bit greater than a normal rock. So I think it was a bit burned up.
Okay.
I don't know.
And there's Lulu. So, cool. Some of you might say, well, Moses, all the sales on compost and everything is in the spring or late winter. Well, yeah, because everybody's thinking about gardening at that time. You know, the sales or retail doesn't do things for the consumer's interest, which is the fall. If they want to make more money and make their customers more successful at gardening, they'll have their soil sales in the fall, so you could build up your soil for spring. But you know, they're not going to really do that. And if the money's in spring, they're just going to do it in the spring. So a lot of this is just broken down wood chips and compost material. I added some manure and some organic fertilizer, but if you had to purchase it, yeah, manure. You know what manure is?
Yes.
What is manure?
Cow poop.
Cow poop. If you had to purchase your own, I would choose organic, of course. Organic manures and organic compost, and just buy and a little bit of like pathway bark. I like pathway bark, not the big chunks. It's very tiny little chunks of bark, and mix it all together and just lay it out at least 2 to 3 inches thick and water it in and let it be. So for my Northern Hemisphere followers, I hope you had a great 2021 gardening season. And for my Southern Hemisphere followers, well, you guys are rocking and rolling right now. Happy gardening, everyone.